Cymraeg is a national language that belongs to us all. The Welsh Government believes that the use of Cymraeg should be increased in all parts of Wales. It is vital, therefore, that our Welsh-speaking communities continue to thrive. To support this aim, the Welsh Government established a Commission for Welsh-speaking Communities in August 2022. The Commission's role is to make recommendations to the Welsh Government on how to strengthen the Welsh language as a community language. Earlier this year, the Commission sought views from individuals and interested parties across Wales regarding the challenges facing the Welsh language, as well as ideas on how best to deal with those challenges. From the evidence gathered, it became clear that urgent action is needed to place a stronger foundation for Cymraeg in order for it to remain as a community language. The Commission has published a position paper that summarises their work and findings to date. These findings could form the basis of the Commission's final report and recommendations. The Commission believes that areas of high-density linguistic significance should be designated to support Cymraeg as a community language. In these areas, it will be possible for the Welsh Government and local authorities to vary or strengthen certain policies to support the Welsh language in the areas of housing, education, community development, economic development, and planning. For example, promoting community ownership of certain assets and promoting the creation of social enterprises could prove beneficial to the Welsh language. In housing and planning, for example, placing the Welsh language at the centre of policymaking could support the language by ensuring that there are enough homes for everyone without the risk of damaging the Welsh language as a community language. The Commission believes that taking action in a specific way will create favourable conditions for the Welsh language to thrive, ensure continued support for the preservation of the language as a living community language, and to reach the aims of Cymraeg 2050, 1 million Welsh speakers. To learn more, visit gov.wales/commission-welsh-speaking-communities or follow #Welsh-speaking Communities Future.